What's going on, guys and gals? My name is William Clark, and welcome to part 2 of this fireworks extravaganza. That's actually what I'm going to call this whole 1 and 2 videos, is the whole fireworks extravaganza. Now, in the last video, I asked people what they did this 4th of July, and I'm also going to ask it in this video. Why not? So long story short, people are driving. Yep. Long story short, people are driving. Why there's so many people? You can't really even hear me. Then I guess probably better, you know? But long story short, I told you what I did as well. And long story short, dogs barking and all that shit, but I basically went and I watched the parade. I said I should have been on the other side right there. Which is true, I should have been on the other side. That's where all the candy and chocolate were. Some tells me they got some gummy snacks that I like. Some of the people. But hey, it's 4th of July, and my friends were pretty cool. One of my friends, dear Alicia, she was one of the Disney princesses, and it's awesome. I miss them. I miss all my friends. And during the parade, I also saw some of my other friends who I haven't seen in a while. I believe they're graduating next school year. So in a couple of months they're going to be seniors, I think. So, congrats to them on making it this far. Don't give up. And then, so after the parade, I just scouted around town so they could find any candy and chocolate that people leave. And you'd be surprised how much fucking candy and chocolate people leave. So yeah. And I also, afterwards, I just went back, watched a little bit of Price is Right. Yeah! Now we're talking, people. Now we're talking. Oh, I guess they're like flares. We got flares going on. Oh. Yay. We got flares. We got flares, ladies and gentlemen. There we go. Woo! Now we're talking. Alright. Yeah, baby. I apologize for the tree in the way, but, you guys have got to see this shit. All those are fireworks, baby. Woo! Oh, that was gorgeous. Very, very gorgeous. Okay, so anyways, guys and gals, like I said. Oh, there's more! Woo! Now we're talking, guys and gals. Now we're talking. This is what I've been waiting for. You can't really see anything. It just lights up the sky so much. Yay! That's so beautiful! Who cares about the people driving? We got fireworks in our yards to watch. This is really beautiful. I mean, very, very beautiful. Ah, nice. I love this. So beautiful and gorgeous. I think they might be done after this, I hope. I actually hope they're done, so I can go back inside and sleep. And also watch YouTube. But I'll stay a little bit longer just in case. There may or may not be any more because that sounded like that was a finale. Like an actual finale of fireworks. So, anyways, I might just stay here just a little bit longer, just in case if they don't finish. So, after the parade, like I said, went out. I went out and looked across the sidewalk around there. Because people drop a lot of candy and chocolate and all that stuff. You'd be surprised at how much people drop and leave. And then I went home and watched a little bit of Price is Right. And after Price is Right, I watched a little bit of the news. And yeah, so I watched a little bit of the news. I don't watch the news all that much. But yeah. And after that, I just fucking fell asleep. I was like, fuck it, At 1 o'clock, I went back upstairs and I slept. And also, I think I said something in another video, in the last one. Ironically, both the last video and the last part, that one thing I hate about racing, well, actually one of the many things I hate about racing, is whenever there is fireworks being shot out, like tonight, you can't really see them unless they're really, really high up. And the reason for that, I'll just wait for everyone to pass. Yep, everyone's leaving. It must be done. But the reason for that is that there's so much trees. So many fucking trees, and also so many houses. And a combination of both, houses and trees. You don't really see much of anything. So you have to hope that these fireworks are really high up so that you can at least see them from where I'm at. And yeah, we got a lot of trees. I can actually see. Just look out my window. Where the fuck my window's at? I can look out my window. I could be like, oh, okay, ooh, fireworks. So I was probably going to do that, but then I heard fireworks coming from the other end, towards the school. And I was like, oh, hell yeah. Well, are they still going? Everyone's leaving. Holy shit. So I think that's it. There's not much to this one. I should have recorded just... I should have like... Oh! So that's not it. There's another firework. I guess that's the way fireworks. Yep. That's it, guys and gals. If you like this video, and there's actually, okay, there are some loose ones. You see just a little bit out in the darkness. I think they already had their finale. They're just like shooting out random fireworks that have not been fired yet. Basically, the ending was left. But, yeah. Yeah. See just a little bit. They're not making any noise either. Like, the fireworks aren't making any noise. So, yeah, I think that's it. It's actually quite nice out right now. So, if you like this video, please give this video a like. Hashtag like for fireworks. Hashtag like for fireworks, ladies and gentlemen. And, yeah, if you like this video, please give it a like I said. If not, that's fine too. I'm gonna head back inside now. Yeah, they're done, I think. Yeah, as you can see, everybody's leaving. These people, they're coming from the park. So yeah, that's where everything was at, was the park. So yeah, again, if you like this video, please give this video a like. If not, that's fine too. Don't forget to comment down below your thoughts on the whole thing, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon down below. I do hope you have enjoyed part 1 and part 2. Also, fan over there is blowing, so yeah. And I apologize for the eternal darkness. But anyways, I'm over here at my doorsteps, by the way. And as always, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys and gals in the next video. Peace out, people, and Provo. Boom! Now watch, it's gonna be a shit ton more fireworks.